Everyone knows that brushing our teeth is essential for maintaining oral health, but does more brushing equal healthier teeth, or can you brush too much? The myth that more is always better when it comes to toothbrushing has absolutely been busted. This can be a source of frustration for diligent patients who think they're doing the right thing by brushing more than twice a day, but the truth is that excessive brushing can lead to gum recession and wear or abrasion of our tooth structure. So toothbrush abrasion is the name we give to this wear and tear, and it's most commonly seen in patients who use a hard bristled brush or people who press too hard when they brush. The characteristic signs we see are longer looking teeth with some tooth root exposure, possibly some notches in the tooth structure close to the gum, and sometimes even a darker or yellower teeth than average. The reason the teeth look longer is because there's literally more tooth exposed as the gums recede, and teeth may have a darker appearance because the enamel thins as it's brushed away. Sometimes patients get into a bit of a cycle where they see their teeth looking yellower and try to remedy this situation by brushing even harder. So, the right way to brush is twice a day for 2 minutes each time. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and brush in a gentle circular motion. Try holding the brush with your thumb and 2 fingers, not a hard gripped full fist, or switch to an electric brush because sometimes learning a new habit is easier than breaking an old one. So more brushing definitely does not equal healthier teeth. The right amount of brushing with the correct technique is the best way to ensure lifelong oral health.